Hi there. I think I've never seen a plugin or a tool in Maya which creates such complex objects within only a few clicks. That's why I spent more than this video. I spent a couple of videos before on this topic. It's about Prosets, programmed by Mainframe North in England, a plugin for Maya. Polygon modeling. Right mouse click, super ellipse. Poly super shape, random, 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 random. Select the face. Oh, let's actually select vertices. 4 of them. Go to Edit Mesh and Bevel. Now instead of 4, we have lots of more. And we can change the width here if we want it, or just make them very small. Now, right mouse click. We select a face, that face for example, and we go to Extrude. And we extrude that face out, like this. Maybe further out, like this. Can always change this later and add another subdivision, like 3. Okay, now we go to Object Mode, and with the Alt key pressed, we go to the P icon, click on the P icon, and now we have the choice of Poly Extrude Face, that's the last thing we did. Delete component, which we actually didn't, but which comes with the process of poly chamfering, which is basically beveling it. So let's start with the beveling, because we can only select one thing here. Let's continue here. And the beveling was done with a vertex. That's why we need to pick the vertex here. And it does strange things, because already now here the algorithm is working. And here we can distribute the beveling process over the whole surface. So that's quite nicely done. Right mouse click Object Mode. We select the object, press and hold the Alt key, go to P again, and this time we'll choose the Poly Extrude Face. Continue. And that's a face thing now. So when we extrude, the faces looks like this. Very complex indeed. And now you can mix the two. For example, if you reduce the percentages here and the gross selection, you only have the Prosets face extrusion working. Like this. Very elegant. And you can mix the two processes, well, for example, by selecting that and going to modulus. And now let's select the object again and delete a face. That one, for example, you just delete it. And right mouse click Object Mode, press and hold Alt key, click on the P icon, and delete component is the one we want to talk about now. And well, we have, this is the delete component, so we have 3 Prosets now working. And if we keep deleting them using the modulus, for example, we get a really amazingly complex object here. Raise the modulus value to 4. And I think it's render time.